I did not plan to make a video today. I just watched this match as a fan of Liverpool, as a fan of this beautiful game that is football, and I was just so excited that club football is starting again and the international break is over and the first match would be Liverpool versus Watford. I was just excited about that, and we won this game by 5-0. 5-0, how exceptionally good and incredible that scoreline is when you see your front three, those typical front three that we have been seeing from past so many years, got the goals. Firmino hat-trick. I've been watching so many press conferences of Claudio Ranieri and what he's expecting from Watford, and the thing is that first match of Claudio Ranieri and it's with Liverpool, I was scared. Now you must think that I get scared before every match. Yeah, that's true, I do get scared before every match. But now why Watford is different? See, it's clear that we were supposed to win in a match like this, but you have to keep in mind that there is a managerial change at Watford. So which is why it gets a little bit difficult. Because I always say that there is this honeymoon period that almost every manager goes through whenever they join a new club. So I thought that maybe they will have this new energy, new vibe, because we were playing an away game today. So it was their ground, it was their new manager, their fans, their excitement, and everything that Claudio Ranieri is promising them. Maybe it was no pizza but a full-fledged dinner treat. It can be anything. It gets on the opposition's nerves when there is so much being promised to their players. It's a nice boost. I agree to that, but we had the first match against them, so you never know what you can expect from a team like that when you get into a game like that. I'm just so impressed with the team, and touch wood, I don't know if you guys believe in that nazar lag jana wali cheez, but हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत believe करते हैं उस चीज़ को, and I don't know, but I feel that please कोई जाके मोह साला की नज़र उतार दे, बिकॉज जो भी है यार, हमारे तो यहाँ पे ये बिलीव करते हैं कि खुद की नज़र, अपनों की नज़र बहुत लग जाती है, और हम एज अ लिवरपूल फैन ही कहीं उसको नज़र ना लगाते, बिकॉज ही इज़ हैविंग सच इनक्रेडिबल सीजन. मतलब वर्ड्स कम पड़ते हैं. इन एवरी मैच दैट वी गो थ्रू, द इम्पोर्टेंस, द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मोह साला इन एवरी मैच. क्या नए वर्ड्स लेके आए अभी टू डिस्क्राइब हिम, दैट हाउ हिज परफॉर्मेंस वॉज इन दिस मैच. Be it that first goal wala assist, how did he know that as soon as he received the ball? I thought that he's going to dribble in front and फिर pass करेगा आगे, तब तक सब defense organized हो जाएगा Watford का. I thought that that is what he's going to do. As soon as he won the ball from Danny Rose, he made the pass, he made that assist to Sadio Mane. It was Sadio Mane's first touch and we got that goal. And I'm actually happy for Sadio Mane that he is getting that confidence to get the goals, because we need it. We can't just be dependent on Mo Salah, no matter how incredibly good that player is, because we need to let him just go and play and put that weight off his shoulder, that there are other players who are putting in as much effort in every match as he is. Liverpool was pressing, winning the possession. They were dominating in every factor. How good was Liverpool today? I got scared for a minute that we are starting with such good pace like happened with AC Milan, and maybe later on या तो कोई इंजरी ना हो जाए, या तो वो ड्रॉप हो जाए पेस में एकदम से. आई अंडरस्टैंड AC Milan and Watford completely different teams. Let's just go back to the match that Liverpool had with Brentford, which we drew with them. I think 3-3 was the score line, and everybody bashed Trent Alexander-Arnold that how bad he was in the defensive duties that he had to perform. I understand that we were exploited from the right side of the defense, but it was not just Trent's fault. Henderson in that match, if you notice, that he moved in the position where Mo Salah plays. Henderson went way too ahead where he was not supposed to be, maybe. But then, that's what happens when you're going into matches like these and you're getting goals and you expect, maybe you can change the score line and get many goals in that match. And that's what was happening. So that cushion that Henderson provides to Trent in that defensive duties wasn't there. So in today's match, you'll see that Hendo and Keita were providing that safety, that first line defense safety to Trent Alexander-Arnold, because that's what happens when you're dominating the game completely. That is when you start to lose your position and your positional play, what you're supposed to do, and you just start moving forward and to go more attacking and get the goals. That's what was happening in that match, and I think we maintained that today very well. Let's just talk about Milner today. Do I even need to mention something new about the engine of the team? How good is Milner? It's like I understand the Liverpool situation that we are currently in, that we need to offload players so that we can buy new players. But when it comes to James Milner, I don't know, talk about any player right now that I would want to switch James Milner with. Such a versatile player James Milner is. And the thing is, there's always a dilemma that he is aging now and we should go for some younger squad for the future references. But now that we were talking about this thing, that expected playing age of the players is actually increasing a lot. So maybe Milner can be utilized in many games ahead. So the offloading of players should be those players we are not utilizing at all. So for James Milner, I don't know, I wouldn't want him to go. Maybe the replacement has to be like core solid replacement. That is when I will be satisfied. ठीक है कि ये बनता है James Milner का replacement होना. I mentioned in the previous video, I guess, that how confident I feel when it's Alisson Becker playing at the back for us, that जब भी कोई अटैक के लिए आ रहा होता है, मेरे को ऐसा होता है कि टेंशन नहीं है, बेकर है संभाल लेगा. Even though he has to go through Van Dijk, he has to go through एक वॉल हमारा जो वैन डाइक वाला वॉल है, बट स्टिल आई फील अ लॉट कॉन्फिडेंट व्हेन देयर इज एलिसन बेकर. बट टुडे Kelleher played for us, and I'm telling you, such a good substitute for Alisson Becker. Better than Adrian, no doubt, much better than Adrian, but बहुत incredible substitute है हमारे लिए. So that is why जो हमारे subs हैं उनमें बहुत quality दिखने लग गया है. पहले बहुत gap होता था, हमारा playing 11 अलग ही level पे होता था और bench का जो हमारा quality था वो बहुत कम था. Now I feel that वो जो gap है वो end हो रहा है, and that's what we need now. जो हमारा बेंच है उसमें क्वालिटी लेके आए, उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस लेके आए, सो दैट वेन एवर दे गेट द चांस टू प्ले इन द प्लेइंग 11, कोई डिफरेंस ना लगे हमारे प्लेइंग 11 एंड बेंच में, हमारे स्क्वाड में. एंड आज वही दिखा, बहुत इनक्रेडिबल एफर्ट था. यू नो व्हाट, आई जस्ट वांट लिवरपूल टू विन अ सिल्वरवेयर दिस टाइम. सीरियसली आई वांट सम मेजर सिल्वरवेयर, हम इस बार जीत जाएं, just for Mo Salah. I want Mo Salah to become the real contender for that Ballon d'Or maybe next season. तो अगर एक ट्रॉफी हो जाएगी साथ में मेजर ट्रॉफी, maybe then he becomes more suited to win the Ballon d'Or, because I really want Mo Salah to like just go ahead and win it, because जितना अच्छा वो प्लेयर है अभी इस टाइम पे, and if he doesn't ever win that trophy Ballon d'Or, ठीक है, पीपल से दैट ये मैटर नहीं करता है, बेलॉन डियोर, स्टैट्स देखो, ये सब ट्रॉफीज तो आते रहते हैं. बट व्हेन पीपल कंपेयर हाउ ग्रेट अ प्लेयर इज, दे मेंशन दीज थिंग्स आर मेंशन, एंड व्हाई नॉट, इफ देयर इज अ ट्रॉफी लाइक दैट, व्हाई नॉट दीज काइंड ऑफ प्लेयर्स शुड बी कंसिडर्ड. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई रियली वॉन्ट, अगर एक ट्रॉफी होना एक क्राइटेरिया है फॉर अ प्लेयर टू बी जज्ड कि हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट एंड हाउ गुड दैट, हाउ bloody good that player is. So that is why I really want that Liverpool should win a major trophy this season, just so that Mo Salah can get that Ballon d'Or trophy in his hand, because he deserves it. Virgil van Dijk इतने से रह गया, इतने से क्या रह गया, इतना इनक्रेडिबल सीजन था उसका, जीत गया था, मेजर ट्रॉफी जीता ही था, बट स्टिल नॉट गुड इनफ. व्हाई, आई डोंट नो, आई विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड. विच इज़ वाई इस बार तो मैं पूरा प्रोटेस्ट चला दूंगी कि अगर मेजर ट्रॉफी भी जीते एंड देन ऑल्सो Mo Salah doesn't win, देन आई डोंट नो कि पता क्या क्राइटेरिया है, क्या चाहिए इनको, तो फिर तो हम छोड़ ही देंगे वो देखना. तो अभी जब चांस है मिलने का तो चलो लेट्स होप वो हो जाए. आई जस्ट एंड दिस वीडियो नाउ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड हिट दैट बेल आइकन so you never miss a video from me. That's it. Good night. Bye.